direct sa hands. Di ba? Mostly sa foot, di ba? Boom. Ito by hand. Okay? Using the those this one, yung hada, okay, hada, using the hada, okay, progressive indirect attack, kung by ko, yung kalaban mo, anticipate that you're going to punch it, so you're going to do block, okay, pero most, boom, okay, papunta doon, okay, when your opponent, see, boom, that's PIA on the hand, okay, ready? Okay, painting to the side, and then boom, so, that's cross the plate, okay, boom, last one, okay, PIA is part of non-telegraphic move. Now with the foot, painting, common thing. Okay? Paint, upper, fighting form. So I do a BUG, then you block, diba? Okay. I put to boom. Very common, okay? See? Paint ka, pasok dito. Alright? Smart BUG. No problem. Go. Shove it. Shove. Right. Put. That's good. Straight. Left. Straight. Then, that's it. Every time you execute, you shout. Okay. Fighting form. Another PIA movement on the hand. Okay.